Hey, I'm doing the feedback landing of your landing page, meetbutter.io. I just loaded the page, and the first thing I see is that your home page is kind of dimmed by the cookie pop-up. This is really annoying because 99% of the people don't care about the cookie pop-up. So maybe you want to not make your website fade out as you do that. Okay, so here I am. I just clicked Meat Butter. I like the logo, very minimalistic. Not many people spend time on their logo, so that's pretty cool. Join, sign in, and sign up for free. Why do you have join and sign up free on the same navigation? Isn't sign up and join the same thing? Let's find out. Join takes me to a page with nothing. Sign in takes me to a login with Google iframe, and I cannot go back. Okay, here we go. I clicked on go back, and then sign up free takes me to the login page again, which is kind of weird. I don't know why it's an iframe within a page. Anywho, online meetings smooth as butter. Okay, grade call, grade H1. Now I understand that this is a tool to make my meetings better. Now the H2 will say what it actually is. A meeting companion app that helps you manage the meeting flow like a pro. With agendas, queues, timers, and more, your participants will thank you. Perfect. I really like the copy so far. And you have a picture here that shows what the app or web app or assistant tool, whatever you want to call this, companion app, right? What it looks like. You have an agenda, different coming up topics within the agenda, and then some activities, and all the people are a part of your meeting. Pretty cool. You have a conflicting kind of. Now I understand. Okay, the join now makes sense. Join is basically for people who are already signed up to your service, while this other tool here, sorry, not tool, call to action is to create a room for free, which assumes being me having to sign up. And I hope I'm right. I would definitely not have two call to actions like this. I would keep the join one for users who are already signed up. You want to maybe put this under a subdomain, so like join.meetbutter.io, or just keep it up here and say something like have an ID and question mark, and that would be the call to action for people who have a room ID. Um, Other websites that use similar things to this is like kahoot.it, where people enter the game pin and it's just a domain based just for this. For you, it could be just a subdomain. Meetbutter supports all video platforms. So I assume it's a companion app that works with Zoom, Google Meets. I think it's Google Meet, so that's something you can fix. Teams, whereby never use that, and Skype. What about Slack? Does it support Slack? Probably not at this point. I like the fact that you have this chat bubble here that's been designed to look like your website. That's pretty nice. Looking to run meetings smoothly, we're here to help and answer any question you have. Very generic rather, sorry, that was my mistake. But you probably want to be more specific with the question here. It could be something, would you like us to give you a demo? Click, talk to us and we'll give you like we'll show you our product or something like that. That would probably work better than what is very generic here as looking to run meetings smoothly. We're here to help and answer any questions. Yeah, okay, no. Now, something you want to improve in this landing page is you want to talk about the features you have. What are the pain points of your user that you're fixing by providing them with the companion app? A lot of people won't understand exactly what the screenshot shows unless you literally go into an explanation. Let me give you an example. Um, this landing page here, a smarter way to make advertising banners. There's a subtitle, one call to action here, and then explanation of what the features are or what the advantages for the final user will use the app Um, and basically it's explained here. You know, this is for banner generation. It's simple. Simply import your assets. You don't need skills. It's cost effective. It's time boxed. If you could use this kind of callouts in your landing page, you could have never run a meeting over time, never have awkward silences during meetings, make sure everybody is considered during the meeting so nobody feels like they're left out. Those are probably advantages of making your meeting flow feel professional. um, I don't think just giving these three little words here is enough. And definitely use a video instead of just a screenshot. It feels like you would be much better off showing a video, even if your app is just a slideshow on PowerPoint, but you can show how the different features all connect together by just creating, some kind of workflow on PowerPoint. Um, Other things I would improve, I would add a footer, give some information about the team, the company, who's behind this, why should I sign up, is there a price, are you planning to have a price at some point? There is literally nothing that gives me the certitude that this will be working in a week time. So please work on these things and definitely reach out once you've improved those things. I like the idea. I struggle with this, so I can totally feel where you're coming from. Hope this was informative enough, and good luck. Yeah.